Hello, everyone, and welcome to Top 5 Products channel. Today, I'm going to review the Roborock S8, a robot vacuum cleaner that claims to be the most sophisticated and smartest one on the market. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. The Roborock S8 is a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop that offers powerful suction, a dual roller brush system, an ultrasonic mopping system, obstacle avoidance, and smart navigation. It comes in two variants, the S8 and the S8 Plus, which differ only in the type of docking station they come with. The S8 Plus has a self-emptying, self-washing, and self-drying dock that makes maintenance easier. So, what are the top 5 features of the Roborock S8? Let's start with number 5, PreciSense LiDAR Navigation. The Roborock S8 uses a laser sensor to scan its surroundings and create detailed maps of your home. You can view and edit these maps on the Roborock app, where you can also set no-go zones, invisible walls, room names, and cleaning schedules. The Roborock S8 can also recognize multiple floors and switch between them automatically. Number 4. Reactive 3D Obstacle Avoidance. The Roborock S8 has a 3D structured light sensor that projects a pattern on the objects in front of it and detects their shape and size. This allows it to avoid obstacles such as cables, shoes, socks, and even pet waste. It can also sense the height of furniture and adjust its body accordingly. Number 3. Viborize Mopping System. The Roborock S8 has a sonic mopping system that scrubs up to 3,000 times per minute, and lifts the mop to 5 mm to shift dried-on stains deeper. It also has a smart water tank that controls the water flow based on the floor type and the cleaning mode. You can choose between 4 mopping modes: silent, standard, strong, and intense. Number 2. Dual Roller Brush. The Roborock S8 has a dual rubber main brush that can effectively remove dirt and small particles of dust, reduce hair tangles and sweep. It also has a side brush that can reach corners and edges. The dual roller brush can automatically adjust its height depending on the floor surface, making it suitable for both hard floors and carpets. Number 1. 6,000 Pascal Suction. The Roborock S8 has more suction power than any previous Roborock robot vacuum, generating a maximum of 6,000 pascals. That's more than double the power of Roborock S7. It quickly picks up debris, hair, dust, and more from hard floors and carpets. So, these are the top 5 features of the Roborock S8 robot vacuum cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the Roborock S8 and if you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.